Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rohingya English Learning Channel. I am Hasina Begum. In this video, I will tell you about the types of mushrooms, its benefit and prices. The benefits of mushrooms. Introduction. Mushrooms, often referred to as the meat of the vegetable world, are a fascinating and nutritious food source that has been enjoyed for centuries across various cultures. Not only do they add a unique flavor and texture to dishes, but they are also packed with a multitude of health benefits that make them a superfood. Mushrooms are a low-calorie, nutrient-dense food that can significantly enhance your diet and well-being. They come in various types, each with its unique flavor profile, nutritional benefits, and culinary uses. In this video, we'll dive into the wonderful world of mushrooms, exploring the different types available, their impressive health benefits, and the market prices in India. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support heart health, or simply add more variety to your meals, mushrooms can be a valuable addition to your diet. However, it's essential to be aware of the harmful mushrooms that can pose health risks. So, let's get started and uncover why mushrooms deserve a place on your plate. Types of mushrooms and their prices. 1. Button mushrooms, Agaricus bisporus. Price, approximately 200 to 300 Indian rupees per kg. Benefits, high in protein and fiber, contains B vitamins and antioxidants that support immune function. 2. Oyster mushrooms, Pleurotus ostreatus. Price, approximately 250 to 350 Indian rupees per kg. Benefits, rich in vitamins C and B, boosts the immune system, supports heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. 3. Shiitake mushrooms, Lentinula edodes. Price, approximately 800 to 1000 Indian rupees per kg. Benefits, contains compounds that support immune health, anti-inflammatory properties, good source of vitamin D. 4. Portobello mushrooms, Agaricus bisporus, mature. Price, approximately 400 to 500 Indian rupees per kg. Benefits, high in fiber, low in calories, rich in potassium which helps regulate blood pressure. 5. Fenugreek mushrooms, Flammulina velutypes. Price, approximately 600 to 700 Indian rupees per kg. Benefits, high in antioxidants, supports digestive health, contains B vitamins that boost energy levels. Health benefits of mushrooms. 1. Rich in nutrients, mushrooms are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins B and D, selenium, potassium, and copper. These nutrients are vital for maintaining overall health and well-being. To boost immune system, the antioxidants and beta-glucans in mushrooms help strengthen the immune system, making it more efficient at fighting off infections and diseases. 3. Support heart health. Mushrooms are low in calories and fat, and some varieties, like oyster and shiitake mushrooms, contain compounds that can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Many mushrooms have anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and arthritis. 5. Aid in weight management. Due to their low calorie and high fiber content, mushrooms can help you feel full for longer, aiding in weight management and reducing the likelihood of overeating. 6. Improved digestion. The high fiber content in mushrooms supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Harmful mushrooms to avoid. While many mushrooms offer incredible health benefits, it's crucial to be aware of harmful mushrooms that can pose serious health risks. Here are a few to watch out for. 1. Death cap mushroom, Amanita phalloides. Description: this deadly mushroom is often mistaken for edible varieties. It has a greenish cap, white gills, and a bulbous base. Risks: contains potent toxins that can cause severe liver and kidney damage, leading to death if ingested. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain, often appearing 6 to 12 hours after consumption. 2. Destroying angel, Amanita virosa. Description: white in color with a smooth cap and a ring around the stem. Risks: causes severe liver and kidney failure. Symptoms may not appear until 5 to 24 hours after ingestion, making early detection difficult. Initial symptoms include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, followed by severe abdominal pain and organ failure. 3. False morel, Gyrometra esculenta. Description: often mistaken for the edible morel, it has a brain-like, wrinkled appearance. Risks: contains gyrometrin, which converts to a toxic compound in the body, causing nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and in severe cases, seizures and coma. 4. Webcap, Cotinarius species. Description: brown to yellow-brown cap with a web-like veil covering the gills when young. Risks: contains aurellanine, a toxin that can cause kidney failure. Symptoms can take 2 to 3 weeks to appear, including flu-like symptoms, followed by severe kidney damage. Conclusion: incorporating mushrooms into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, from boosting your immune system to supporting heart health and aiding in weight management. With various types of mushrooms available at different price points, it's easy to find an option that fits your budget and dietary needs. However, always ensure you are consuming safe, edible varieties and be cautious of the harmful mushrooms that can pose serious health risks. Enjoy the versatility and nutritional power of mushrooms in your meals today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. See you in the next video.